Welcome back. We have finally reached the final module of the Bushido code. By now, you are already familiar with the 8 different elements of Bushido, which is the way of the samurai. A simple question. Shakespeare once wrote, to be or not to be, that is the question. That is the only question. Do you want to follow Bushido in your life? Do you want to follow the steps of the ancient samurai? The simplest question of all, and you will need to answer yes or no. You are a warrior in this new era by your own means. You are able to practice righteousness, courage, benevolence, respect, integrity, honor, loyalty, and self-control in different contexts in your life. You are now able to live your life successfully by following the Warrior's Code or the Bushido Guide. As stated in the previous modules, Bushido is evergreen and can be practiced in the governance of your own country, in the workplace, among family, friends, but most importantly, helping us to get through our individual battles. Always remember, we are all warriors, fighting our own battles, and Bushido is the way of the warriors. All the best.